Hello guys, this is Ayush from Coderoom. So guys, today I'm going to train you that how you can make your own Hello World application in iOS. So the very first step which you have to do is that you have to go to google.com and you have to type Coderoom. And when you are just headed over to the Coderoom website, so you will have to just land over to the courses section. And when you are into the courses section, you have to just select the iOS structure Objective-C category. And when you are onto there, the third topic is the Hello World application in iOS. So guys, once you have done this part, let's head over to the complete implementation part. Guys, what we'll do is we'll open the Xcode into a Mac machine, and what we'll do the same step which we have done so far into the previous videos. If you have not watched my previous videos till now, which are on getting started and the environment setup, I recommend you to just have a look over to it and over to the Objective-C basics video as well, so that you can understand it better. So you have to click on new and you have to click on project. Once you have clicked on project, you have to select the iOS category. Under that, you have to click on single view application, and then you have to click on next. You have to write the name of your application, which is right now Hello World Codes Room, and you have to click on next. I'm just creating it my repository, and my whole complete project is being set up now. Now, as you can see and as you know right now, that we have the app delegate, we have the view controller. View controller is my file name which has already been provided from the Xcode, and this is my class name actually. So let's say if my view I have to show, my view will be shown to my users, so that will be of my class name only. So let's say if my class name is of view controller, so the view which I'll be showing it, you can imagine it as the complete user interface or the complete screen which my user will be able to see will be of this class name only, right? So we'll click on main.storyboard. So we'll be having one of the view already being created from the Xcode. So we'll click on view controller, and what we'll do is this is our complete view, or this is our complete screen which will be shown to our users right now. Right now you can just select the iPhone 6 from the simulator, and what you can do is you can just write from the object library, from the downside you can just write the label, right? Onto the label, just click onto the label right now and just select the alignment as the center, and just change the text onto it and write it as hello world. Also add a button and change the title of the button and say click me. Now click on this particular section which is by the name of assistant editor. So what assistant editor does is it just divides your screen into the two parts so that you can just look it better. This is your view controller file, right? If you want to go on to the another files, you can just select this particular option over here. Let me explain it once again. I just selected this particular option, and then I just clicked on this particular option, and then I just selected the automatic part, and I selected the view controller.m. Now I click on the button which I created, and I just right click my button, and I'll see a kind of window which will be shown onto my screen. This is the complete window which shows me that what particular action I have to perform on my button right now. 97% of the times you will be using touch up inside action whenever you are using a button, right? So I just select this and I drag and drop onto this particular section just below the interface, and I write it as button click me, and I just click on the next, the connect part. Now you can see it over here that it is being connected. Now just come onto the view controller.m file, and now you can see a function is already being created over here. So right now what we will see is that if I want to perform any particular action over here, when I click on to a button, I just do that part over to it. So I've written the hello world codes room. So right now when I'll click on to my click me button, the log will be print just below this particular screen, right? So guys, this is the particular program which you can see it over here. Now I'm running my complete program. When the complete simulator will be launched, it will include one label and one button. So the label will be showing the hello world text onto it, and the button will be showing the click me text, and when I'll click on it, the hello world codes room will be printed just in my logs, which is just below the screen. So the complete program is running onto iPhone 6, and it has just says that this the build succeeded right now. Now you can see the label which says hello world, and when I'm just clicking onto this particular button, hello world codes room is being printed over to the complete section. So guys, over to the next particular part of this series, I'll be training you that how you can make your own table view application in which you can just show a kind of multiple rows with a kind of text onto it. So stay tuned and be with me, and thank you for watching my video. Bye.